Too much history have you make it so hard to leave ya. What you do? Big old man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me, Nekeisha, at whatever, and I'm back again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, today I'll be showing you guys how to get bone straight hair. Hold on, let me zoom the hair. There we go. All right, so I already straightened this side. If you couldn't tell, you feel me, like she has body, she moves. And this side, she not really there. She not really all together, but we're in the bathroom. So I'm gonna just show y'all what I do to get my hair so straight. I get a lot of questions about my hair throughout like the day and stuff of my life. So I'm just gonna be doing more hair videos, I guess. So if anybody asks me a question, I know you saw that. I know you see that. But if anybody asks me a question, I'm gonna just send them the link to the video and be like, watch, there's your answer. But anyway, let's get started. So at first, start off, you want to comb out the hair. You don't want to have any tangles in your hair. I usually use a brush, but the brush that I have is being weird, so I just use this comb. And this hair is a 13 by 6 24-inch 250 density, so she's thick. To the side, like I said, and she moves with the breeze and the wind. I'm gonna put you on. I'm gonna tell you the secret. All right, so after you detangle, the secret to this whole thing, right? The secret. I'm about to tell you the secret recipe. Are you ready? Are you ready? So the secret, I kind of just showed you. The secret to bone straight hair is this right here. Bio Silk. Get you some. Bio Silk is the secret. I didn't know about Bio Silk until like until last year in summertime 2019, summer 2019. I believe it was the summer, at the beginning of summer, and I just was craving some bone straight hair, and I found this and it worked magically. And yeah, when you're using Bio Silk, you don't need a lot. I'm gonna just show you the amount that you need. You don't need a lot. This bottle by itself, the small little bottle, is $12.99. $12.99, and you can find it in your local beauty supply. Okay, it's $12.99, so you don't even need a lot. So don't overdo. So you just need, I'm gonna show you, literally, that's it. You don't need any more than that. And that's just for one side. I put that little dime size in each side. So then you just rub it together and you put it all throughout your weave. Make sure to get the ends, because the ends are like very important when it comes to bone straight hair. Because if your ends are not doing it, honey, then you're not doing it. All right, the next secret to bone straight hair is doing small sections. Not OD small, but when I say small sections, I mean sections that are probably about that much or more if you want to. But we're gonna start off with this much. Make sure you have one of these little things to clamp the hair up. I'm gonna just turn this way. You guys are still gonna be able to see me because I'm in my bathroom and my mirror is right here. So I just set it up so y'all can still see me, but I need to see myself so I don't burn myself and die. Oh my god, I haven't texted anybody back. Oh, nobody texted. Okay, I don't know if y'all see my wig. It's not glued down. Okay, I'm about to just plop it off right after this video and put it to sit somewhere until I go to work tomorrow. So if you see my wig in the back lifting or whatever, act like you don't see it, because I'm tired. I'm trying to go to sleep. Alright, this is what I do. I comb it out. I put the comb at the top, and then I put my flat iron in, And then you go like so. You do this. This is my flow, how I go. And I know some girls be having straight hair and it don't move. You don't want to be that girl. Your hair straight is mad oily and stiff. You do not want to be that girl because it's not cute. If your straight hair don't move, curl it. If your straight hair is not moving, curl it. Do not go outside with your straight hair not moving, okay? See what I'm talking about? My wig, just act like you don't see it. But anyway, today was my mom's birthday, and me and my sister got her a cute little bracelet from Pandora. It was so cute.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright guys, so I'm done. Ooh, girl, listen. So I'm not wearing, like, I'm wearing pants, but it's like sweatpants, but you can't really see them. I thought you would be able to, but you can't really see them. But sis. Oh, I thought I heard somebody say something. Like, baby girl. Stiff wear, no. Stiff, I don't speak of that. So tomorrow I have a show. I'm gonna be stepping, and I want long luscious weave. I might vlog that. That would be a good vlog for Black History Month. So I don't know, I'm gonna name it, but I might vlog it as long as I get to take this video off my camera, start editing it and stuff. Then I just might vlog tomorrow, and it would be so cute. I think I might vlog it. I think it would be really cute to get that to be a little vlog or whatever. But I'm gonna just bring all my hair to the front for the sake of the video so y'all could see the luscious loveliness. So basically now I'm just gonna go take this wig off. I'm gonna take a thumbnail, take this wig off, and I'm gonna go take a shower and start editing this. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you want any more hair videos from me, please comment down below. If you have any hair questions, comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and most of all, subscribe. It's free. You don't gotta pay. Support your sister. Feel me? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. Mostly Snapchat. That's where I'm active the most. But you know, you can follow me on Instagram for seeing me cute or whatever. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And sorry I didn't do my hair. I didn't lay it and all that. I was just tired, and I just thought, you know, I could still do it without all of this. But the video is currently 23 minutes. It is 12:28. I'm tired. I just want to take a shower and go lay down. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. And don't forget to cop yourself some Bio Silk, girl, because what? Go cop some Bio Silk so nobody can tell you. Nobody will tell you that you're weak. It's stiff, baby. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.